Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I recreated my favorite set that I currently have on. So I'm going to be taking my first bead of acrylic, laying it right on the nail, and then slowly creating an oval shape while working it down. For my monomer, I'm using Mia's Secret, and then my powder is Valentino. And I actually noticed that these two combinations do not mix. This powder is actually really hard to work with Mia's Secret. As you're going to see here, I'm having such a hard time moving it down. Also, the acrylic was getting stuck on my brush. I do plan on upgrading and buying the Valentino monomer. I just received the Valentino acrylic collection as a gift from my boyfriend on my birthday. It was super cute, super sweet. It was also very unexpected, so for now I'm gonna have to work with the Mia Secret monomer. For my second bead of acrylic, I'm just gonna be placing it right on that nude oval shape that I already have. I'm also wiping away at the sides with my brush, making sure I don't lose that oval shape that I already have. Once the acrylic is dry, I go in with my file and then I just reshape that oval. Don't skip this step. This is what's going to give it that nice oval shape. I'm going to be adding some glitter and just dragging it across the nail tip. This glitter acrylic from Valentino, it is so pretty. I got these flowers on Amazon. I'll be leaving everything that I use on this video in the description so you guys know. But with placing flowers on nails, you want to make sure it's really flat so that way when you lay the acrylic on top of it, there's no bumps. I also added gold foil. I broke it into little pieces. The gold foil is really easy to work with. You just got to make sure your brush is wet with monomer and then it'll just stick to your nail tip. I'm not gonna lie, working with these flowers is really annoying. They move around a lot. So now that I'm happy with the design that I created, I'm going to cap everything in clear. I decided to change the colors but keep the design the same. So I used a red flower instead of a pink one. And I used more of a gold silver glitter than the pink translucent one that I used. Just wanted to change it up, same idea. Basically what I'm doing right now is making sure the flower, the gold flakes, the glitter is inside the acrylic so that way when I file the nail, nothing comes out. How you can tell when something is encapsulated, it turns matte. It's no longer glossy. I'm using the Pana nail drill tip. This nail drill tip is honestly really amazing. I don't really use it because it takes off a lot of acrylic. I like to use that round pink one. But I got a little carried away with the clear and I made the nail a little too thick, so that's why I'm using this tip. So I'm gonna be honest, I hate working with this hand. The nails come off exactly what happened there all the time, dude. It is so annoying. But anyways, filing. So I'm starting from the middle, working my way down. I do this on both sides, and I also like to file at the end of the tip, like what I'm doing right here. For my top coat, I'm going to be using my baby, the Beetles top coat from Amazon. All I'm gonna say is, if you don't have this top coat, you need it. So this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be posting another video soon.